Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can use OBS to record your computer screen, to record your webcam, and to record your microphone. This will be a beginner's guide to OBS, but when we finish this guide you'll be able to do these three things that I just showed you. And I'm going to also show you when you record your screen how you can put your webcam like on either part of the screen. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. It will really help the channel and I would really appreciate it. And this way you'll be notified of future videos that I make. So I'm going to switch now to a PC that has OBS. So this is a PC where OBS is installed. If you don't have OBS installed, you can download it from obsproject.com. And here it is. Here, choose your platform and download it. The first time you open OBS, you'll get this configuration wizard. So here simply click on cancel because we're going to do this manually. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to record your webcam with microphone. In OBS, this is the screen. You have on the left scenes, you have here the sources that will be recorded for each scene. And here you have the scene transition. And here you have the levels and the settings here. So I'm going to start by adding a new scene. Click on the plus here. Let's call the scene webcam plus mic. So this is a scene to record the webcam plus the microphone. Click OK, and you see the scene is here. Now, by default, OBS adds the default microphone, and I advise you to disable it. So to disable it, click on this icon here. So now it is disabled. And here you need to add sources to the scene. The first source we're going to add is the webcam. So click on the plus here under sources and select video capture device. And here let's name it Logitech C920. And then click OK. And here you need to select your device. As you see, it detected the only device that is on my PC. And this is another angle as you notice. So here if it didn't detect or if you want to change the webcam, click here on the drop down arrow and you change your webcam. The first thing you need to do is to change the resolution FPS from device default to custom. So click on the drop down list and select custom. For the resolution, depending on your webcam's resolution, choose the resolution that is supported by your webcam. Of course, choose the highest resolution. And here I'm going to choose 1920 x 1080. And this is the highest resolution for Logitech. Notice how the window of the webcam is bigger now. And it is 16:9 aspect ratio. For the frame rates per second here, the maximum frame rates for this webcam is 30. So I'm going to select 30 here. And I'm going to leave everything by default. So click on OK. And you notice here the webcam took all the screen. So in case you had the webcam like this, for instance, OBS might add it like this. So if you have like a 4K screen or something like that, just drag it here and it snaps to fill the window. So now we added the webcam. We still need to add an audio input source. So click always under sources here for the same scene on the plus menu. And then here click audio input capture. So here I'm going to use the internal microphone of my Logitech. So I'm going to call it Logi Mic. And then click on OK. And here under device, click on the default here and select the microphone you want. So here I have the microphone of my Pro C920. I'm going to select it and then I'm going to click on OK. So now the microphone is selected. Here you have it. And this is the webcam. So here you have your microphone levels. So if the microphone levels are not good, you can adjust them using this lever here. So if it's going too much into the red zone and it's clipping, you can adjust it here to make the sound always like in the yellow zone, which is like this here. So this is good for me like this. So now if with your webcam and your microphone, you want to add like the sound of your PC, you can also add it. So let's add it here also. Click on the plus always under sources. And then here to add the sound of your PC, click on audio output capture. And then here, let's name it PC sound. And then click on OK. And then under default here, click on the speakers of your PC and then click on OK. So we still need now to adjust the settings of OBS in general. So on the right here, click on settings. Then here, click on video. And this is very important. So the base Canva is the resolution that is the base resolution. And this here should be the resolution of your display adapter. So here I have it 1920 x 1080, which is full HD. And for the output resolution, OBS puts it on default on HD. We need to put it on full HD. It's always better. So put it on full HD. And then after that, I'm going to show you the hotkeys. So click on hotkeys here. And here, for instance, if you want to start recording without clicking anywhere on the program, you can put a shortcut. Like for instance, Ctrl-Shift-R. So this way, when you press Ctrl-Shift-R, it will start recording. And if you want to stop recording, you can put, for instance, Ctrl-Shift-S. Under output here you have where your videos will be saved. So if you want to change the output folder, you can change it. I'm going to leave it by default. By default, it will put it under videos. And here under recording format, I always advise you to put it on MKV. And here it is by default on MKV. So this is everything under the settings dialog box. So when you finish, click on OK. And now everything is set up to record. You remember that we've put like the hotkeys. So let's use the hotkeys. So if I press Ctrl-Shift-R, it will start recording as you noticed. And now it is recording. So now I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to stop it here, not with the shortcut. And let me show you the recording. So if you want to see the recordings, you can either go to the videos directly here. So if you click here and go to videos, you're going to see your recording. Or you can also in OBS click on File, Show Recordings. It will take you directly to the videos folder. So let's test this recording very quickly. It will start recording as you noticed. And so now I'm going to show you how you can record your screen and you can add your webcam like as a square anywhere or as a rectangle anywhere on your screen. And at the end, I'm going to show you how to adjust a little bit the webcam so that it will look better than this. So let's create a new scene. Click on the plus here under scenes. And let's call it screen plus webcam plus mic plus desktop audio. And let's click on OK. So here we need to add the sources to this scene. And click on the plus. I'm going to start by the input capture, which is the microphone. And because we configured the Logitech mic before, it is here under add existing. You don't need to create a new one. So click on add existing and then Logi mic and then OK. So this is the microphone. Let's add the webcam now. So click on the plus sign and then on video capture device and add existing and Logitech C920 because we added it before. So we still need to add the screen to record it. So click on the plus under sources and then click on display capture and let's leave it as it is. So it is display capture. I'm going to leave it as it is. So click on OK and now click on OK. And you see now because the display capture is the first one, it overridden the webcam. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drag the display capture under the webcam so that the webcam will be the first one. And then we're going to resize the webcam. So to resize the webcam, click on it here to select it. And then drag its extremities here like this. You see how it is being resized. And then you can put it everywhere you want on the screen. Like I want to put it here. So here we still need to add like the sound of the PC. Let's click on plus and let's click on audio output capture, add existing, PC sound we said, and then OK. So here I'm gonna minimize OBS and let's start recording using the hotkeys. So Ctrl-Shift-R and now OBS is recording. And whatever you do on the screen, so for instance, if you open your browser, if you do anything on the screen, it will be recorded. So let's stop the recording, Ctrl-Shift-S, and now the recording should be stopped. Let's open up OBS and see the recordings. So you can click here on Show Recordings. So this is a recording that we've done. Let me launch it. And now OBS is so recording. You have your screen, whatever you have your screen, webcam so that is here, instance, if you open and you have the browser, sound, if you do anything everything on the screen. I'm gonna show you how to adjust the settings of the webcam. So click here on your webcam under sources. So this here is the Logitech C920, and then click on properties, and then click on configure video. And here for the white balance, most of the time the webcam gets the white balance right. If you want to adjust it manually, you can adjust it manually. Notice how it changes here. The C920 needs a little bit sharpness, so I'm gonna add some sharpness to it here. And then for camera control and the exposure here, most of the time the camera doesn't get it right. So click here to remove the auto, and let's adjust the exposure. So put it -6 here and see how it is like really better. And then of course here also you have the gain. If you see that the gain is too much, is not too much, so here you can adjust the webcam. So here I think it is good. It's a little bit dark, so let me put the gain a little bit more, give it a little bit more saturation here, so to give it more colors, and see how now the webcam is much better than before. So that was it, like the beginner's guide of OBS. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and it will help the channel greatly. If you have any questions or comment, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments section below. I'll be glad to answer any comments or any question that you might ask. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.